Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers without collecting coins. To begin, understand that your primary objective is to complete a run while intentionally bypassing every single coin. This demands a shift in your usual gameplay, prioritizing evasion over collection. You will need to master precise movements and anticipate coin layouts to achieve this unique challenge. It's a fresh perspective on the game, testing your agility and strategic thinking in new ways. To effectively avoid coins, focus on staying elevated whenever possible. Running on top of trains is a key strategy, as most coins appear on the tracks below. When faced with unavoidable coin lines, deploy a hoverboard. It grants you a brief period of invincibility, allowing you to pass through coins without collecting them. Develop quick reflexes for lane changes and precise jumps to weave through coin formations, ensuring a clean, coin-free path. Certain power-ups can hinder your coin-free objective. For instance, the jetpack and super sneakers automatically collect coins as you move, making them counterproductive for this challenge. It is crucial to actively avoid these specific power-ups during your run. Instead, concentrate on observing the environment. Coins often appear in predictable patterns around obstacles. By recognizing these layouts, you can plan your movements a few seconds ahead, ensuring you bypass every single coin. For advanced coin-free play, cultivate a keen sense of environmental awareness. Always look ahead to identify upcoming coin formations and plan your route accordingly. Remember, the goal is not to achieve a high score or a long distance, but to complete a run without collecting any coins. This shift in mindset is vital. Consistent practice will sharpen your reflexes and improve your ability to execute precise maneuvers, making coin evasion second nature and enhancing your overall gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.